How do you get a soft feel in your hands? So I'll just be the horse for a while, and I'm a really strong horse. So just pull me, and yeah, I'm a really strong horse. So as soon as I release, you want to give me a release as well. Yeah? Okay. That's really good because you're giving the hand too. And so a lot of times, now you can be the horse and I'm the human. A lot of times what happens is, okay, let go. I'm not letting go because I'm pulling with all my body muscles. So we can do that again. I can show you again. You can be the horse. I'm the human and I'm the worst trainer in the world. She's releasing. I'm following her to the outside. Yeah, so I'm really falling down because all my energy is backwards pulling on the rein. So what we need to do is, you're the horse, yeah. What we need to do is feel as soon as you release, I release too. If we, like right now we've got strong contact all the time, but right now we just have a little bit less. Just a bit more? Yeah, like that. And now we try and feel, as soon as I'm the horse and you're the human, as soon as I release just a little bit, yeah, then you release already. So you want to reward these little tries. That's really good. And that's what Rody needs to feel as well, that as soon as he is maybe tightening his muscles on the circle, you can ask something and then release right away, and maybe you need to be there as well again when he is taking you away again, but you need to release all the time when you feel that he's trying.